In this video, you'll learn how to assemble, operate, and maintain your new Greenworks lawnmower. We'll be featuring the 80-volt model, but these steps can be followed for most Greenworks lawnmowers. Please note this is not a substitute for reading the operator's manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings specific to your model, consult the operator's manual provided. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the lawnmower, the grass catcher bag, the side discharge chute, the mulch plug, and the operator's manual. Your model may have also come with a battery and charger. Unpacking. Open the box and carefully remove the lawnmower and its components. Please note this may require a second person. Inspect it to confirm that no damage has occurred during shipping. Keep the box and packing material until you've used the lawnmower and you're sure it works properly. Assembling. To assemble your lawnmower, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Installing the upper handle. Remove the packing material from the cable. Remove the rubber edge guard from the upper handle. Place the mower upright so that it's standing on its handle brackets and back wheels. Insert the upper handle into the lower handle. Be careful not to damage the cable. Put the bolts through the holes and tighten the nuts with your Phillips head screwdriver. Unfolding the handle. Place the mower back down on its wheels. Each side of the handle has holes near the top, which when pulled will release the handle so that it can be lifted up and over into position. Pull these and unfold the handle over the mower until it locks into position. Using the grass catcher. To get the mower ready to operate with the grass catcher, open the rear discharge flap and hold it up. Remove the mulcher plug and set it aside. Hold the grass catcher by its handle and place the catcher onto the hooks on the door rod. Close the rear discharge flap so that the grass catcher is held in place. Ensure the side discharge flap is closed. Using as a mulcher. To get the mower to operate as a mulcher, the grass catcher bag must be removed. Open the rear discharge flap and hold it up. Place the mulcher plug in the rear discharge chute. Close the rear discharge flap so that the mulcher plug is held in place. Ensure the side discharge flap is closed. Using the side discharge. To get the mower ready to operate with the side discharge, ensure the mulcher plug is installed and the grass bag is removed. Open the side discharge flap and hold it open. Line up the recesses on the side discharge chute so that it will connect with the mower under the flap. Close the flap so that the discharge chute is held in place. Setting the cutting height. The adjustment lever is located by the back right wheel. The mower can be set to cut at different heights depending on the desired length of grass and the condition of the lawn. Pull the lever outwards to disengage the lock and then move it backward and forward to raise or lower the mower from the ground. Release the lever at the desired height to lock it in place. Use a higher setting on rough ground or with new or thick grass. The battery. Charging the battery. Charge the battery by aligning its grooves on the charger and sliding it into place. The charger light will flash green when charging and will turn solid green when fully charged. Inserting the battery. Open the battery compartment door on top of the motor. Align the ribs of the battery with the grooves of the battery compartment. Slide the battery into the compartment until it locks into place with a click. Insert the safety key into its slot in the battery compartment. Close the compartment door. Removing the battery. Always remove the battery before storing, cleaning, or changing the configuration of the lawnmower. Open the battery compartment door. Remove the safety key. Push the battery release button so that the battery disengages and remove it from the housing. Store the safety key in the battery compartment so it doesn't get misplaced. Operating. Do not use your lawnmower without first reading and understanding the safety considerations outlined in the manual. Safety first. Before starting, put on safety glasses and check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Starting the mower. Push and hold the start button. While you hold the start button, grab the start handles and pull them towards the handlebar. Once the machine has started, release the start button. Release the start handles to stop the mower. Press the turbo button to significantly increase the blade speed. Be aware that using the turbo mode will drain the battery much faster. Using the self-propelled drive while mowing. While holding the start handles, grab one or both drive levers and pull towards the handlebar. The lawnmower will move forward. To change the self-propelled drive speed, let go with one hand and use that hand to adjust the speed control. Slide the speed control button toward the rabbit icon to increase the speed, and slide it towards the turtle icon to decrease the speed. To stop the self-propelled drive, release both drive levers. To use the self-propelled drive system while the mower is not running, press and hold the start button, then pull up on the drive lever. You can also pull up on the drive lever first and then press the start button. Release the lever to stop the drive. On the handlebar next to the turbo button is the battery charge indicator. 4 lights indicate the battery has over 80% of its charge remaining. 1 light indicates 20 to 40% remaining, and if there are no lights, that means the battery is at 20% or less and should be recharged immediately. Using the headlight. The mower has a headlight on the front of the motor area. The light automatically turns on whenever the mower is on or moving. Maintaining your lawnmower. Maintenance is important to keep your lawnmower running well for years. Before doing any maintenance, remove the battery and make sure the blades have completely stopped rotating. Regularly clear and clean the underside of the deck so the blades can efficiently cut and mulch. Check the blade and motor mounting bolts frequently to ensure they're tight. Inspect the blade and replace it if it's bent or cracked. Some vibration is normal, but if there is a high vibration, it likely means the blade is unbalanced and worn and should be replaced. Or the motor shaft is bent and needs to be repaired at a service center. In either case, don't use the lawnmower until the issue is fixed. Replacing the blade. If the blade becomes damaged, it will need to be replaced. Contact us to ensure you get the right replacement blade for your machine. To replace the blade, you will need a 15mm wrench or ratchet and 15mm socket, safety gloves, a block of wood, and the replacement blade. Remove the battery and mulcher plug. Fold the handle forward by pulling the catch in the handle holes and moving the handle forward and down until it locks into position. Place the mower upright so that it's standing on its handle brackets and back wheels. To prevent the blade from moving, insert the block of wood into the mulcher plug compartment and brace the blade against it. This ensures the blade cannot rotate while you're loosening the mounting screw. Remove the mounting screw and spacer with the wrench or ratchet. Carefully remove the blade and the fan from the shaft. Take the opportunity to clean the fan and the area around it. Reinstall the fan. Install the new blade. Make sure that the arrows on the fan engage the holes in the blade. Remember to reposition the block of wood and brace the blade against it. Secure the blade with the spacer and mounting screw and tighten. If possible, use a torque wrench and tighten the mounting screw to between 24 and 27 foot-pounds or 33 and 37 Newton meters. Maintaining your battery and charger. During the work season, the battery can be stored without charging it. Even so, it's best to charge the battery so your tool is always ready to go. Charge the battery at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once charged, remove the battery and unplug the charger. The battery can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove it and store it separately. During the off-season, store your battery fully charged indoors and away from any heat sources. Keep the charger clean and clear of any debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. Storing your mower. Wait until the motor is cool before storing. Remove the grass catcher, the safety key, and the battery. Make sure the mower does not have loose or damaged parts. If it does, tighten them and be sure to replace the damaged parts before using the mower again. The lawnmower can be folded and stored vertically. Fold the handle forward by pulling the catch in the handle holes and moving the handle forward and down until it locks in position. Lift the machine by the handle so that it's standing with the handle brackets and the back wheels on the floor. Store your lawnmower in a well-ventilated place and away from children. Keep it away from corrosive agents such as garden chemicals and de-icing salts. Properly maintained, your Greenworks lawnmower is built to provide you with years of great service. Still have questions? Contact us at greenworkstools.ca.